During the time when I was working as an English facilitator in an educational organization, I was promoted as a life skills trainer as well. So, as a part of my teaching, and I used to teach students, and I had uh, you know meetings and amalgamation, collaboration with the teachers as well as parents. After I left my job, when I started myself as a freelancer, I would not know what to do. You know why? What could be the reason? Because I used to feel that I can teach English and I can take life skills, or I can take counselings to the parents and teachers and others, even children as well, students as well, which have been doing that. But when I wanted to shift my career, authentically, it was very much confusion, because it was a wish for me that I wish I would become an English facilitator. I wish I would become a life skills trainer. All this wish is a kind of confusion where we cannot decide anything in our life, how to move forward, where to go, what to do. You might be good at many things, but one thing you should be master yourself, right? Where it was a very challenging for me, where now I am very free with that, because I am into Shubhvardan. I have Shubhvardan with me. I have a mentor, Navinji. So he makes us understand what is your niche, clarity on your niche. What do you like? What do you like to do? We get so many thoughts in our life every day. Every day we had so many thoughts, so many wishes. Wishes changes. I wish if I can do this. I wish to do this. But there is no result, because you will be confused with n number of things. If you are also in the same situation and you really strive to come out of this, you also must have a mentor where he can, behind you, stand with a stick every day, helps you, guides you. Isn't it? So, I wish you all like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.